Do you guys know what is silvernite? Silvernite is a mineral. It's a ore containing both silver and gold. And when it's refined, it usually gives pure gold. But unless it's refined, it's just a shiny piece of rock. Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm Aniket. I scored 650 in NEET 2024 and I'm currently preparing for NEET 2025. This year is about to end in one day. Today is 30th of December, tomorrow will be the 31st and the last day of the year, and from day after tomorrow, New Year. So, what will change? What will change? Technically nothing. Technically it's just a date, but it represents a lot. In the beginning of this year, you might have promised yourself a lot of things, and maybe you did that, maybe you were not able to do that, but the main thing is, are you satisfied with yourself? Because in just 4 months time, the biggest day of our life is, most probably if you are watching this, you are a NEET aspirant, and in 4 months time, the biggest day of our life is about to come. You know, the day we have been preparing for 2, 3, 4, even 5+ years, some of us. So what have you thought? The scam happened 7 months ago, and still a lot of you have not recovered from that. A lot of you are here still texting me, nahi ho raha padhai, I cannot study. Some of you are too stressed about kya hoga. Like, why are you so tensed about the future and the things that you can't even control? Why are you so obsessed with it? You cannot control it. Let it go, dude. Care about the things that you can control. Think about those things. Work on them. Improve yourself. That's the only thing you can do. I don't get the point of thinking about something that's about to happen or thinking about something that's not even in your control. No, section B से options हट जाएंगे. Oh, so हटने दो. If they are, that's fine. हटने दो. Questions hard होंगे क्या, easy होंगे, फिर से scam होगा. We don't know that. All that you know and all that you can do is prepare yourself best for every scenario. If you think ऐसा होगा, prepare yourself for that scenario. Do it. क्या लगता है? Don't be that person who regrets what they did after the examination. Don't be that. Do the right things from now. You know the right things. I don't have to tell you कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. You know those things. But you're still here doing those things and being in regret. 4 घंटे सुबह से उठ के फ़ोन चला लिया, regret हो रहा है. Why? Only you can do that. Sometimes I know we feel alone. Sometimes a lot of you feel alone. But it's the way of life. अगर लगता है कि नीट कॉलेज मिल जाएगा, we'll be very happy. कॉलेज मिल गया रहता तो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. नहीं होते. इफ़ यू नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद इन योर सेल्फ, कोई चीज़ में हैप्पीनेस नहीं मिलेगी. एंड दैट्स जस्ट द ट्रूथ. दैट्स जस्ट द हार्श ट्रूथ. इफ़ यू नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद इन योर सेल्फ, नहीं मिलेगी हैप्पीनेस. एंड आफ्टर फेसिंग सो मच, लाइक आफ्टर स्कैम हुआ मानो तुम्हारे साथ, इट्स हैपेंड और वट एवर यू नो, मे बी फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स, वट एवर, नहीं हुआ नीट में, जो भी, लाइक आफ्टर ऑल दिस थिंग्स, इफ यू क्लियर नीट नाउ in NEET 2025 and you get a good government medical college, think about that. What would that mean to you? How much would that mean to you? More than if you got it easily. जितने मुश्किल से कोई चीज़ मिलता है उससे उतनी प्यार होती है. Have you not seen that? Have you not realized this? So do it for that sake. Do it for कि नहीं, I would love it even more. I would admire it even more. I would be more passionate about that if I get it the hard way. टेस्ट देने का मन नहीं कर रहा, क्यों यार? It's just a simple thing. जाओ दो. Don't care about the marks. डोंट केयर कितने मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, जस्ट केयर कि कहाँ गलत हुआ है, वाई, क्यों गलत हुआ है, एंड ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव ऑन देम. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग. बाय द वे, फ्रॉम टेस्ट आई रिमेंबर्ड, टेक्स्ट बुक सेल इज लाइव राइट नाउ. इट कॉस्ट लेस देन 300 rupees and you can use my coupon ANIT12 to get the price even lower. And at that price you're getting 140+ tests, 90+ chapter tests, full syllabus tests, previous year papers and what not. इतना अच्छा टेस्ट सीरीज in this price you'll never get anywhere else. So it's time. The sale is only till tomorrow, the 31st of December. उसके बाद you'll never get this price again. So better अभी जाके ले लो. It only costs around 270 rupees if you use my coupon. So yeah, do it now. It's just one time thing. अभी लग रहा है it's very hard time. You are very depressed. नहीं पढ़ा जाता है, इतना hard क्यों हमारे लिए? But believe me, once if it's done ना, like once you will be in MBBS college, you will think of this time and you will think like, नहीं उतना भी बुरा नहीं था. It was not that bad after all, right? Believe me, ऐसा होता है. And I felt like this for many things. And I know the last year was very difficult for me and अभी भी नहीं easy होने वाला last 4 months. But I know I will miss these days like once after I've done it. A lot of you text me अभी भी like I'm not over that NEET trauma or whatever. टेस्ट देने का मन नहीं करता है, डर लग रही है एग्जाम से. टेस्ट देने का क्यों नहीं मन कर रहा है? डर के आगे जीत है. Like, do the thing that you don't want to do. Do the right thing. Does not matter how you feel. तुम्हें क्या लगता है इफ़ यू डोंट गिव द टेस्ट ऐसा होगा, कम नंबर आएंगे? तो कोई और बैठा है यार. 25 लाख बच्चों ने एग्जाम दिया था इस बार. If you don't, someone else will. Someone else is fighting to take that seat from you. And you are like, नहीं मन नहीं कर रहा है. 10 लोग दौड़ रहे हैं वहाँ पीछे तुम्हारे. They are just waiting, कैसे ये चेयर से उठेगा ना, I'll go and sit on that chair. And you are like, मन नहीं कर रहा है. How? Do you even deserve a seat after that? Ask this to yourself. Do you? It's the new year. ठीक है, in 1 day's time a new year will start. Change yourself. Change the things, change the way you see things. अब इसके बाद क्या? We are all like 17, 18 plus, right? All of us, mostly all of us. And even if अभी भी if you don't want to do this, you are like, why me? Life में बहुत problems आती हैं. If you can't face this, you will not be able to face all the other stuffs. It's time to start working. It's time to do the right things. इसके बाद फिर और कम time बचेगा. You will regret it even more. अभी 120 days are enough. You know, the best time was 6 months ago, and the second best time is right now. Second best time is right fucking now. You have to start working. That's it. That's for the video. I hope everyone has a nice year, and everyone achieves their dreams, and everyone achieves what they've worked for so many years of. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.